Hey, this is from SMS Alert, and today we will see how we can send SMS from our Google Sheets using a simple formula. So in order to use this formula, you need to have SMS Alert extensions Google Sheets add-on installed in your account. The link for it is there in the description. Before that, let's see where we can use send SMS functions in our day-to-day life. You can send SMS to leads having a particular status. For example, you have a sheet containing your lead status and you want to send a SMS to all leads having a particular status. For example, you want to send a SMS to all your leads that are dead or that are having a cold status, and you want to give them some lucrative offer so that they could become your prospective client. You can send outstanding balance to your customers or debtors. Send SMS to customers as soon as a support query is resolved. You can send SMS to your manager as soon as a lead is converted. You can send automatic renewal reminders to your clients. You can send tracking details to your customer as soon as you enter the tracking details in your Google Sheet. You can send attendance of the students to their parents. You can send salary slip by SMS. You can send SMS to staff when any expense is approved, and many more. So now let's see the formula. So to send SMS, you just need to write equal to send SMS. This is the function name. It has three parameters. First is a sender ID. So sender ID is the display name that comes in the message. So you have to use your SMS alert approved sender ID. Second is the mobile number. It is the number to which you want to send the SMS. Then finally the text, the SMS content that you want to send out. So now let's see a simple formula. How will it be executed? I'll simply write send SMS, my SMS alert sender ID, and I want to send SMS to this number. So I selected B2. Then my SMS content. So as the SMS is sent, the status will be updated over there. So now let's see a complex example. And in this example, we'll see how we can send SMS to only those recipients who are having a balance of more than 1000 rupees. I'll write if C2 is greater than equal to 1000, then I want to send SMS. Otherwise, do not send SMS. So this condition was fulfilled. 1200 is greater than 1000, so SMS is sent. I can drag this formula, and you can see SMS is not sent to this 100, not to 990, but to 2300. So you can check in the reports. SMS is sent, right? So two SMS are sent, right? So there are many used cases that this formula can fulfill, but there is a limitation in Google Sheets. Whenever you open your Google Sheets, so the formulas are re-evaluated, means anything that is in the formula that will be recalculated by Google. So the SMS will be resent when you open your Google Sheet. That is the condition. Keep in mind wherever you use it, this condition will happen. SMS will be resent when you open your sheet if the condition matches, because the formula is being executed every time dynamically. Thank you.